Oh, that's not very good. No. No, we need to keep it in there. Come on. There you go. That's good, Maddie. It's good. No. No, come on. It's good. No, we don't want to spit it everywhere. Look. It's good. Cereal. No. No, we don't like it. Come on. Let's try a little more. Yummy. Yummy. Da. No. Come on. Most babies are supposed to like this. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. I know, but it's new. It's good for you. Oh, no. No. You're going to swallow it. Swallow it. No. Nom. Nom. No. Come on. Why doesn't Daddy cry? You need to swallow it. There you go. No. Swallow. Swallow. Swallow it. No. Come on.
Stop playing with your food.
Come on. Here we go. Oh.
Okay, I could be watching football right now. There are hungry children in Africa that would be thankful of whatever that is.
Maybe you just don't like, oh, don't spit it everywhere. Oh. Come on. Well, at least Daddy did it once. It'll be me the rest of the time. Yes.
Did you just say Daddy? No. How about we set you up a little bit like an adult? Like an adult cat. Oh. Try not to choke on it. You got blood on the camera. Whoa. Daddy's hand. Everything's okay.
Swallow it.
No.
Swallow it, honey.
Oh.
Let me get it.
Not gonna work. Not even the choo-choo train.